need to get that energy before we start. Come on everybody, are we ready to begin? Super, thank you so much. To extend my hearty welcome to each one of you on behalf of the Economic Times to the ET Make in India SME Regional Summit Kolkata edition. Can we have a big round of applause everybody? A very warm welcome all of you. It's a fresh morning and I see that everybody is super excited for this wonderful session. Well, I'm sure that today is going to be a very fruitful day. We get to learn a lot. We get to share a lot. But once again, a very good morning everybody. We are more than delighted to have you here amongst us at the ET Make in India SME Regional Summit Kolkata edition. Well, this is the very first time that ET is hosting the ET Make in India SME Regional Summit in Kolkata, West Bengal, with an aim to delve into the dynamic world of Uttar Pradesh's thriving MSME ecosystem and highlight its significance in shaping India's economic landscape. The initiative further aims to empower future-ready MSMEs to drive India's vision of becoming a global powerhouse with its nearly 90 lakh MSMEs has become a thriving hub for innovation and entrepreneurship. The state government has implemented numerous initiatives to support MSME growth, ease of doing business. The Kolkata edition of the ET Make in India Regional Summit is a celebration of the achievements of these businesses. It aims to provide a platform for knowledge sharing, networking, and preparing the MSME sector to compete on a global scale. The Kolkata edition of the ET Make in India MSME Regional Summit is brought to you by the Economic Times in partnership with Adobe as associate partner. Once again, put your hands together, everybody. Well, we start with a welcome message from Mr. Ashish Pandey, Principal Correspondent, Economic Times. Can we have a big round of applause as we welcome Mr. Ashish Pandey? Thank you so much, Ashish sir, for your words. Thank you for the address. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, moving ahead, I would like to invite on stage our respected keynote speaker. Please put your hands together for Dr. Shashi Panja, Minister in charge, Department of Industry, Commerce and Enterprises, Government of West Bengal. Can we have a big round of applause, everybody? Thank you, ma'am. Over to you.
In our state, we have two separate departments. There's a department for heavy industry, which is called Industry, Commerce and Enterprises, which I head as the Minister in charge. And there is also a department for the MSMEs. So that is the dedicated focus which our Honorable Chief Minister has given for this department.
Well, we can proudly say that West Bengal is not just the culture capital of India, now it is the textile, the handicraft capital of India as well. Can we have a big round of applause once again? Please put your hands together as I welcome on stage Mr. Mehul Mohanka, CEO and Managing Director, Tega Industries Limited, to shed light on the theme of how West Bengal can deliver a reliable and industrious future. I also request Mr. Anurag Srivastava, partner PwC, to come to the stage to moderate the session. Can we have a big round of applause as we welcome both of them? West Bengal's MSME's ecosphere. Also, thank you, Mr. Srivastava, for moderating the session. I request both of you to please grace the stage for a while. And with this, I'm going to request Ashish sir to please hand over the token of appreciation to both of them. Can we have a big round of applause, everybody? Proceeding ahead, I would like to welcome to the stage Mr. Ajay Joseph, Head of Sales and Channel Digital Media, Adobe, to deliver a presentation on the topic Empowering Indian MSMEs through Digital Transformation. Can we have a big round of applause as we welcome Mr. Ajay Joseph. A very warm welcome to you, sir. I'd like to invite Mr. Joydeep Ghosh, respected General Manager, Economic Times. Please put your hands together as we welcome him to give this beautiful token of appreciation to Mr. Joseph. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Can we have a big round of applause for him? Also, congratulations as well, Momo's revenue crossed 400 crores in the last financial year. Everybody put your hands together. For the excellent induction of the wonderful panel session that we had. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. We come to the end of the Kolkata edition of the Economic Times Make in India SME Regional Summit 2024. Adobe as our associate partner. Thank you once again to all our esteemed speakers, our partners and to our participants. We hope the many MSMEs present here today found this to be a valuable knowledge sharing and enabling experience, and we wish you the very best as you chart the next wave of your growth and networks. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Puja, on behalf of the